And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to add a background for your videos. We've got a simple composition right here to video clips and a lower third, but we've got the default black background and we want to change that. At first, just select all of the clips in the timeline and drag them one step up. So now video channel 1 is empty, and that's the one that's going to be seen in the background. Or we can simply drag an image into our timeline, resize it so that it has the same size as the clips. We can adjust it under Effect Controls. So if you can't see that, go to Window, Effect Controls, select this clip on video channel 1, so our background image, and we can scale it down, for example, and then resize it so that it fills all of our screen. You can just directly do that right here in the preview window. Depending on the image that you use, you have to watch out for contrast issues, for example here with the text. So you might have to change this text a little bit in the Effect Controls, give it a new fill color, for example, or add a background to increase the contrast and make it more readable. So in this case, a background color would be fine. So just select it down here. And it's much more readable now. So depending on the background that you use, you have to watch out for things like that. But let's just say you don't have an image. Let me delete this one. We can also create a background from scratch. Just right click in the project menu, new item, and we'll use the color matte. By default it has now the same size as your sequence, so that's exactly what we need. Let me just make that red. You can also use the eyedropper tool and sample a color, for example from these two video clips. Click on OK, put it in the timeline and resize it. If you're not happy with the color, just double click on this element in the timeline and you can change the color. Let me, for example, use this red from the Coke bottle and it's changed automatically. And this way you can add a background for your videos using the color matte or a simple photo in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.